Hey, what's up? In this video I want to tell you about another dash cam, but it differs from other models by having a triple camera. And this is the first dash cam that I have tested with 3 channels: front, rear and interior. The other features are built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, voice notifications, built-in and external microphones for better sound recording. The dash cam is called VFO A139. So I suggest to start with unboxing and then look at design, main features, application and sample videos day and night. The new dashcam from VFO comes in this box. There is all information about product on the box, such as main features on the front, accessories on the face and specifications on the other. Inside the box everything is well packed, such as dash cam, rear camera, cabin camera, 6 meters rear camera cable, 1 meter interior camera cable, car charger, card reader adapter, front and rear mount 3M sticker, USB Type-C cable, circular polarizing lens filter, trim removal tool and static windshield stickers. By the way, I also have another box with a professional lavalier microphone. It is sold additionally. As you can see, you can use the microphone with not only dash cam, but also smartphone, tablet, PC, notebook and other devices. Later in this video, we will check the microphone quality. So this is VFO A139 dash cam. The first thing I noticed is a 300 degrees rotation lens. It is a very useful feature, because you can record the video inside and outside the car. As you can see, the dash cam doesn't have a display. Instead, there are many different buttons, such as power on-off, record start-stop, video protect, microphone on-off and Wi-Fi on-off. There are also 4 status indicators on the top: record, microphone, GPS and Wi-Fi. On the left side we can see reset hole and built-in microphone hole. On the right side we have a screw hole and a microSD memory card slot. By the way, this is a GPS module. There is AV and microphone ports on the top, as well as rear and interior camera connectors. USB Type-C port is used to power the dash cam. Now let's take a look at the rear and interior cameras. Actually they look the same, but the cabin camera has 6 infrared lights. The cameras don't have any buttons, because you just need to connect them to the dash cam and they will be turned on. By the way, the interior camera is sold additionally, just like external microphone. You can also buy optional hardware kit, Bluetooth remote control and memory card. All these accessories are sold on Amazon. Okay, now I want to go to Amazon product page and look at the main features of dash cam. So here we can see that the first feature of a VFO A139 dash cam is a 3-channel recording. The front 5MP Sony camera has 140 degrees of viewing angle and resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels at 30fps. The rear and interior cameras have Sony service sensors and Full HD 30fps resolution. The dashcam also has built-in Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 GHz. It is really necessary, because you can watch the live video from dashcam or video footage only in the app. The next feature of a VFO A139 is voice notifications. The dashcam uses spoken English language to confirm settings changes. I already said about 300 degrees rotation lens. I also showed you circular polarized lens in the package. It can be used to reduce reflections and glare of glass and road surfaces. Finally, the last feature of a VFO A139 dash cam is built-in microphone. We will compare the quality of built-in and external microphone a little later. However, that's not all the features of the new VFO dash cam. It also has built-in GPS, super night vision and 3 parking solutions, such as auto event detection, time-lapse and low bitrate. Now we can look at application and its functions. So in the open smartphone we can see the video from the front, rear and interior cameras. There is also switch camera and snapshot buttons. In the settings we can choose video resolution, time-lapse recording, loop recording, recording audio, G-sensor sensitivity and bitrate. The system settings also have many options, such as boot delay, IR LED on-off, parking mode, parking G-sensor, parking motion detection, interior and rear camera mirror, notification sounds, voice notifications, GPS and many others. By the way, there is also a gallery in the app with all files, locked files and parking files. As I said at the beginning of this video, I want to test the quality of the built-in and external microphone. Let's do this. Hey guys, this sound is recorded on the built-in microphone of a VFO A1039 dash cam. Actually, I am not driving anywhere. I'm in my studio now. so the sound quality should be good. Now I have connected external microphone to VFO A139 dashcam. What do you think of the sound? Is it better? But again, I'm in a quiet studio, so maybe the sound will be a little worse when you're driving in the car. So I recorded some video samples on all three cameras during the day and at night. Let's watch them. VFO A139 is a very interesting dashcam because it has three cameras, front, rear and interior. As you could see, the video quality is good on all three cameras. The dashcam also has built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. By the way, it supports dual-band Wi-Fi. This is really important because the dashcam doesn't have a screen, so you can watch the live and recorded video only in the app. I also like the external microphone of a VFO A139 dashcam. It is optional, but I think it can be very useful for many of you. You can also buy the optional Bluetooth remote control. Honestly, I think that the VFO A139 is one of the best dashcams in 2021. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.